Hey guys, welcome back to episode 4 of ChefDeDe. I'm super excited. Always like and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell below, and thanks for watching. Today guys is going to be a taco episode. I have my niece Brianna and my nephew JJ here to help. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, and we're back, and I'm super excited because I want to teach you guys today how to eat tacos in a healthy way, but also we're going to make some tacos for the kids in the way that they like it. So I have some ground meat here, which is 99% fat-free. This is turkey ground meat, which is really good for you. And we also have regular ground meat for Jason because he doesn't want to eat his any other way, right? How do you like it? So he said he don't want to eat none of that nasty stuff, but I want you guys to know that you want to eat turkey ground meat. It's 99% fat-free. It's good for you if you're trying to lose weight. And I also want to teach you guys that you can eat when you're on this weight loss journey, but you want to have portion control. You want to eat 5 meals a day, 3 large and 2 small healthy meals. So let's get into it. So this is the turkey ground meat. It's kind of getting stuck on my hand. This is really good for you, especially for ladies that's on this weight loss journey with me. You guys see me posting on social media my fitness journey. So I feel like if I'm going to teach you guys how to eat, I'm going to show you what I do. And I'm on the wrong guy. Good job. That's a good job. Okay, so you guys want to brown your meat, and that's what we're doing here. This is the turkey ground meat. This is the regular ground meat. And so once you get it all the way brown, then you want to add in your seasoning, which we're going to do this. And I'm also going to give you guys a recipe on how to make taco seasoning without having that at home with your own spices. And so stay tuned. Got it? Up black beans. I'm gonna add these in with my turkey ground meat. Oop. You don't have to add these, but I like these because I want as much protein as possible. And I like, kind of like when you go to Chipotle, that's how I like my tacos to be. So I add in all the extra stuff. Okay, so we're gonna add some taco seasoning into our regular tacos and also into our turkey ground meat. So I don't really measure anything, you know what I mean? We just put a little zhuzh, you know what I mean?
I'm just gonna put it in there.
Then you're gonna also add, you know, your water.
Yeah.
I don't use water out the sink because I'm always scared because this world, you know. So a little bit of water in here.
Wait, Gigi.
I'm gonna add the black beans too. Maybe in the fridge, honey. Hold on, wait. So you're gonna add your black beans in with your meat.
Get my shells on right.
Can you some more of that seasoning, Brianna?
Yeah. Can I do it?
Go ahead, shake it, boo. Good job. Now do over there. Okay, guys, so Brianna's almost done with hers. They're looking really, really good. Huh, Bri? Stir them up real quick. Good job. She did that all by herself. And mine are coming along. They're almost done. So see, you want to season them up real good, honey. And this will be good for everyone. So I'm excited to show you the final product. These are almost done, and this is what it should look like. You know, you want everything to be mixed well. You want to cook it, make sure it's all consistent. And so this is the turkey ground meat with the black beans. Oh. Okay guys, we're back now, and so we just finished making the meat, and so now we're gonna prep everything that we need to finish our tacos off. So Bree is going to cut the tomatoes. I have 2 different types of tortillas for you guys. These ones are whole wheat, and then we have the regular ones for the kids. But you wanna choose whole wheat because that's gonna keep your carbs down. You want something that's less bread, something that's good for you and easy to digest. And we also have, you know, our different toppings. We have mild taco sauce. We have sour cream for the kids. We also have a little bit of coleslaw, which I don't like, but my mom likes. Different people like things. This is more veggies on here. Regular lettuce. And we also have a little bit of cheese. And so we're gonna show you guys what we've made.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And it's home run.
I know, I'm super excited. I'm so proud of you. You do, honey. I'm ChefDeDe. Okay.
I'll never do that.
So you want to have a little bit of lettuce. Here, honey, put in the bowl. It's already rinsed. Got all the good stuff. Okay guys, so we finished making our tacos. We have all of our sides. We have the lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, coleslaw. We have our turkey ground meat with the black beans. And we also have our regular tacos for the kids. So stay tuned. So we're gonna put the turkey ground meat on the wheat shells. You guys did, oh, I'm making them good. Here, throw that away.
Nope, I can't.
You know what, boy? Throw this little piece of meat away. Good job. So she's putting the regular ground meat in the regular tortilla because we wanted to make some that they're gonna like. What do you want on your taco?
BG sour cream.
Just get my shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight up.
Is that good?
No.
More.
Oh, he gets a lot of sour cream.
Like that? Right. We're gonna put some tomatoes
I'm gonna
on
put
it.
like the rest of this stuff on.
Okay guys, so we're done making our tacos and we're all gonna take a bite and we're super excited that you guys join us. Once again, thank you for tuning into ChefDeDe. We love you guys and have a great day. Come on, you ready to dig in? Oh, that's yours. Yours is right here. Oh, well, we should have switched sides. I want a healthy taco. Ready? Mmm.